Looking for smart home solutions? These Amazon finds can help you clean faster, cook easier, and keep your home more organized with less effort. All product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. The Blestan Handheld Vacuum. A compact cleaning solution designed for quick and convenient cleaning around your home and car. It can be used to clean dust, crumbs, and pet hair from furniture, floors, and tight spaces. Key benefits include strong suction for fast cleanups and a lightweight design for easy everyday use. Number 2. The Dfacio 11-piece Crevice Cleaning Brush Set. A detailed cleaning solution designed to reach tight and hard-to-clean spaces. It can be used for keyboards, bathroom corners, kitchen appliances, and small gaps around the home. Key benefits include precise cleaning for hard-to-reach areas and versatile use across multiple surfaces. Number 3. The Ninja Pod and Ground Specialty Coffee Maker. A versatile coffee solution designed to brew both pods and ground coffee with ease. It can be used to make hot coffee in multiple styles and sizes, depending on your preference. Key benefits include flexible brewing options and rich cafe-style coffee at home. Number 4. The Mecity Electric Gooseneck Kettle. A precision heating solution designed for making coffee and tea with better control. It can be used to heat water quickly and pour smoothly for pour-over coffee or tea brewing. Key benefits include fast heating and precise pouring control for better taste and consistency. Number 5. The Wireless Charger iPhone Charging Station. A convenient charging solution designed to power multiple Apple devices at once. It can be used to charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods in one place without messy cables. Key benefits include fast wireless charging and a clutter-free charging setup. Number 6. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. A smart cleaning solution designed to automatically clean your floors with minimal effort. It can be used to vacuum carpets and hard floors while navigating your home using smart mapping technology. Key benefits include hands-free cleaning and powerful suction for deep dirt removal. Number 7. The Turelar Handheld Immersion Blender. A versatile kitchen tool designed for quick and easy blending. It can be used to make smoothies, soups, sauces, and shakes directly in your pot or cup. Key benefits include fast blending and easy cleanup with a compact design. Number 8. The Vanpopubs 2-pack Automatic Trash Can. A smart hygiene solution designed for touch-free waste disposal. It opens automatically with motion sensor technology, making it more convenient and sanitary to use in kitchens, bathrooms, or offices. Key benefits include hands-free operation and improved cleanliness by reducing contact with germs. Number 9. The Brigii Crevice Vacuum. A compact cleaning solution designed to reach narrow and hard-to-clean spaces. It can be used to remove dust, crumbs, and debris from keyboards, car interiors, and small corners. Key benefits include strong targeted suction and easy portability for quick cleanups anywhere. Number 10. The Chefman Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker. A convenient kitchen appliance designed to make thick, crispy Belgian waffles at home. It features a rotating design for even cooking and can be used to prepare breakfast quickly and easily. Key benefits include consistent cooking results and fast waffle preparation for everyday use. Number 11. The Mr. Coffee 5-Cup Mini Brew Switch Coffee Maker. A compact brewing solution designed for quick and easy coffee making. It can be used to brew up to 5 cups of coffee at once, making it ideal for small households or personal use. Key benefits include fast brewing and a space-saving design for any kitchen. Number 12. The Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor. A powerful kitchen tool designed to make food prep faster and easier. It can be used to chop, slice, shred, and mix ingredients for everyday cooking. Key benefits include time-saving performance and easy assembly with simple stack and snap design. Number 13. The Dreo 4L Cool Mist Humidifier. A home comfort solution designed to improve air moisture levels in dry environments. It can be used in bedrooms, living rooms, or offices to add cool mist for better breathing and comfort. Key benefits include long-lasting mist output and quieter operation for everyday use. Number 14, the Shark SteamSpot Steam Mop. A powerful floor cleaning solution designed to sanitize and remove tough stains using steam. It can be used on sealed hard floors to lift dirt and grime without harsh chemicals. Key benefits include deep cleaning with steam and quick drying for everyday use. Number 15, the Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. A modern kitchen tool designed for effortless seasoning with one-touch grinding. It can be used to grind salt, pepper, and spices quickly while cooking or serving food. Key benefits include easy one-hand operation and adjustable grind settings for precise flavor control. Number 16, the Ouaken 4L Smart Kitchen Composter. A modern kitchen solution designed to turn food waste into compost easily at home. It can be used to process fruit peels, vegetable scraps, and other organic waste into usable compost. Key benefits include reducing kitchen waste and producing eco-friendly fertilizer for plants. Number 17, the Dreo 6L Top Fill Humidifier. A powerful air moisture solution designed to improve indoor air quality. It can be used in bedrooms, living rooms, or offices to add consistent humidity for better comfort and breathing. Key benefits include large water capacity for long run time and easy top fill design for convenience. Number 18, the Mecity 4-Slice Toaster. A kitchen appliance designed for quick and even toasting of bread and snacks. It can be used to toast multiple slices at once, making breakfast faster and more convenient. Key benefits include extra wide slots and consistent browning for perfect toast every time. Number 19, the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. A modern cooking solution designed to prepare meals with little to no oil. It can be used to air fry, bake, roast, and reheat a variety of foods quickly. Key benefits include healthier cooking with less oil and fast, even heating for crispy results. Number 20, the Vertical Magazine File Holder. A simple organization solution designed to keep documents, magazines, and folders neatly stored. It can be used on desks, shelves, or in home offices to organize paperwork and reading materials. Key benefits include reducing desk clutter and making files easier to access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart Amazon finds.